Hello, and welcome to 8th grade science with Miss Lyons. Today we are going to discuss 3 types of heat transfer. We know that thermal energy can impact the speed of particles within a substance, but what happens when this energy is transferred between 2 objects? Let's find out. First, we need to know exactly what is heat transfer. Heat transfer is the movement of heat particles from hot objects to cool objects. For example, when you have a hot cup of coffee, you can warm your hands on your mug. This transfers the heat from the coffee to your hands when they wrap around the mug. This is just one type of heat transfer. Let's see what else we can learn. When you warm your hands on a coffee mug, that is called conduction. Conduction is the type of heat transfer that occurs when one object physically touches something else. This example shows the heat from the stove being transferred to the pan, which is why we don't want to touch uncovered handles. The heat from the pan can travel to your hands, which creates some burns in the kitchen. The next type of heat transfer we're going to learn about is called convection. We see convection every time we boil our pasta water. This GIF shows how the heat creates a cycle within the water, which shows the heat transfer. The hot water rises in the center and falls down on the sides, circling around to begin the cycle again. Convection can also be seen in air, which is why your car defrost works so well. Finally, we have reached our last type of heat transfer. Our last type of heat transfer is called radiation. You always wear sunscreen when you're at the beach to prevent the radiation from the sun causing a sunburn. Radiation is the heat transfer through waves from an external source, which creates an increase in particle movement. You also see radiation when you warm up your Hot Pocket in the microwave. The waves from the microwave get transferred into your food and makes it hot and ready to eat. So there you have it, 3 types of heat transfer. Feel free to review this screencast whenever you need a refresher on this topic. See you later!